So I want to show you what I've got from Amazon. Okay, so this is the Laura Ashley 1953. This is the actual slow cooker, and I want to show you, and they actually do put this on Amazon now. It looks like this, and I think it looks very, very attractive. It's a 3.5 litre slow cooker, and again, you get the 24-month warranty as well on this. Yeah, I think it looks very pretty. It was the cheapest I've seen online for the Laura Ashley range in the slow cooker, so I decided it was time to purchase it. My one is a little bit old now, very old, and it's also very scratched. I think this has a ceramic, I don't know, it's definitely a non-stick inside. My one's very damaged, so, and also the switch is very wonky, so I don't know how long that would last anyway. So I'm happy to say I've purchased, this is my new one. And yeah, let's get this open. I'm hoping to do more casseroles, rice, everything that I used to do with my old one. So here is a little booklet that you get inside, and it's just got the safety instruction manual. So, oh, and they have some lovely, and I was hoping for this, some nice top slow cooking recipes. You've even got vegan dishes as well. I think they're all vegan dishes, are they? Vegetarian, so they've got everything, a bit of everything for everybody. So vegetarian and vegan dishes that you can actually do in the casserole. So this is, and these are the meat ones as well that you can do. So that's really nice that they actually give you a set of instructions as well for the cooking. So that's really nice. And if you look at the back here, you can see their range that they have. So it isn't just the rice cooker, you've got the kettle, you've got, you know, the toaster over there, you've got the food processing as well. So yeah, so a lot of things there, and it looks, like I must say, it does look very beautiful. So again, yeah, there you go, you've got the safety instructions. Okay, so here I can see this is the lid. The lid out. Oh, I like that touch. You've got the lovely blue and chrome on the lid. Really, really nice. So yeah, so it's definitely a ceramic inlay there, which is really good, and it's easy to clean, which is what I like. So this is the Laura Ashley, and as you can see, you've got the warm, low or high. So you've got those switches there. This is the dish. So this is the size that you're getting. This is how deep it is, and this is how it looks. So that's what you'll be using for either your rice or casserole. And you just put it in like that. And then your lid will go on top like that. And then you'll just plug it in and you can get on with your slow cooking. I'm just grateful that they did give me some recipes, so that will be like a little guidance, because I do want to do some casserole dishes as well in there, and I think that's going to be really, really nice. And it's just lovely to have some wholesome slow cooking meals, just like the old traditional times. And I can't, you know, I think that you can't beat that kind of cooking. So just a quick summary of the slow cooker features. You've got the large capacity, so it's generously sized to serve up to 5 delicious portions of your favorite dishes. You can, you know, you cook your healthy, hearty meals, because obviously it's lovely. You can make lovely stews, wholesome meals, and it's energy efficient and time saving. So you save time and money on feeding your whole family and enjoy extra time doing the things you love, because obviously you can just keep it on the slow cook. And then with 3 additional heatings settings, you've got the warm, you've got the low, and you've got the high. And then you've got the tempered glass lid, which helps retain that moisture. And it's also dishwasher safe, so the removable pot. And also it is a handmade, stunning Laura Ashley print, which I can't fault, because it really is stunning with these floral prints. They even got it on the box. And then you get your 24-month guarantee as well, protection. And when I do cook something in this, I'm going to actually film it and show you as well, so you can actually see how good, because this is a review, obviously, video on the Laura Ashley slow cooker. So I want to cook something in this, a casserole, and just to show you how good it is. So I'm going to be cooking a lamb stew, and I've literally just thrown in all the vegetables that I had in my fridge. This is the best thing about casseroles. You don't have to waste. When you've got all these vegetables and you think what to do, you can just throw it all into one casserole dish, and that's it. You've got a meal. And if you want to, you can have vegetable stew, or you could even add some meat and have chicken, lamb or beef. Simple. So I'm just going to let the vegetables cook first. So I've put in a bit of oil in there. I'm just going to let the vegetables cook first, and then I'm going to turn that up on high, and then when they're a little bit, you know, nice and cooked, I'm going to add in the lamb. So here it is, all lovely and cooked, and the way to tell is obviously if your meat's lovely and tender, it is cooked. I can just, you know, I wish there was a smelly vision, because the smell is amazing. You can smell all the vegetables, all the meat. It just smells lovely. Here's the taste test. Scrumptious. Chef's kiss. Now, I hope you remember a few videos back, I did actually purchase this wooden shelf from eBay, and it actually does come with some lovely wooden oars as well. I wasn't really happy with the colour, so in this part of the video I'm going to show you what I did to change it all. I did a paint job, and I just created the look that I wanted for this piece. So to make this change, I was going to use an interior wood and metal paint gloss, and also I'm going to be using this red pillar box from Jubilee to paint all the red touches that I want to do. So with all my equipment, let's get painting.